Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by uploading the finished video file, not fiddling with settings first. You sign into YouTube Studio, click Create, then upload videos and drag your file in. While it uploads, add a clear title and a concise description so viewers know what to expect. Choose a thumbnail or let YouTube auto-generate one. Thumbnails affect click-through rate, so use a clean image. Once the file processes, move on to metadata and cards to boost discoverability and retention. Now fine-tune the metadata because algorithms and viewers rely on clarity. You add a searchable title, a focused description with key timestamps, and 3 targeted tags. Make sure to include relevant keywords naturally. Choose the correct category and add end screens or cards to drive watch time. Upload subtitles or captions for accessibility, and create chapters so users can jump to topics. Once these are set, preview the video details to ensure consistency. Before moving to monetization, to finish, decide who sees the video, publish immediately, schedule a date and time, or keep it private for final checks. Make sure advanced settings match your goals, enable monetization, choose comment preferences, and select the right license. Double-check thumbnails, end screens, and cards one last time. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Recheck your internet, confirm the format and codec, and if needed, re-encode to H.264 MP4 at a reasonable bitrate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.